On the price of XCN, nothing really has changed apart from the dump we had yesterday. The market is going to continue being choppy until after August 4th and August 5th. Starting from August 4th and August 5th all the way to September 20 something. Let me say technically September ending is when we should expect the bullish recovery, bullish rally for altcoins. And then September ending, we are going to dump. By the time the altcoin market dumps, you understand, the BTC probably dumps as well. We are going to consolidate into October. So by the time we enter into October, expect rally in the month of October all the way to November. And altcoins are going to like top out. I think they should top out in January 2026. I might be wrong, which I would love to be, but I think they should top out in January 2023. Now, if you're paying attention to XCN, by the way, before we proceed, if you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button. XCN dropped to this zone I talked about in our previous video, which is a buy zone, a clear demand zone. You get, when we tapped into that zone, we formed a wick multiple times, indicating that buyers are there ready to like buy XCN. Now that is why we got this multiple wick, and now we've closed we've closed so far. We've closed 1 4-hour candle above it. Although the trading volume of XCN is down minus 8.3%, market cap is down minus 4.8%. If you're paying attention, the entire altcoin market is currently in a retracement. I think the only coin, wow, Omni just shot from nowhere. Wow, that's great. So we are going to be talking about the BTC liquidation heat map briefly, the BTC dominance chart, and also the orders chart. The orders chart, okay, we are going to briefly talk about the orders chart if we have time. And the BTC CME gap, we are going to talk about the BTC CME chart as well. This is a very, very important chart you all need to pay attention to. Not to forget the BTC price, which is still ranging, and also the BTC dominance chart on the daily time frame. So when we got that correction, which in the last video I posted, I told you guys I'm expecting a high probability move from this level. We tapped into that zone and then got a bounce, this huge 4-hour candle to the upside. Now we have a fair value gap here and also a potential breaker, bearish breaker block here. So the price around 0.016, you all should pay attention to that price level, because if care is not taken, we might get a rejection from there and continue to the downside this time around. Because if you are paying attention to the XCN RSI on the 4-hour time frame, the XCN RSI has been forming a lower high, which is indicating XCN is losing momentum. The XCN price is losing momentum. The RSI is currently below the 50% level. We are currently at 44.25%, which is already in a buy territory. But to get a better entry, I would love to see the RSI drop to around below the 40% level. The direction of the XCN price will be determined by what BTC price does and what Ethereum price does. Because if you're paying attention to what the BTC price and Ethereum price is like doing, the signal they are giving out that we might correct, which I won't be surprised at all. Because let's talk about the BTC dominance chart real quick. Now, this is the BTC dominance chart on the daily time frame. I gave you guys this projection when the BTC dominance first tapped into the support around 60.44% level. And I told you guys I'm expecting a bounce from there and also a correction from around the 62.2% level, which was what happened. When we bounced from there, we got a correction from that level, tap back into this zone, and then we've now gotten a bounce. The current BTC dominance percentage is 61.23%. We are left with 14 hours and 30 minutes until this current daily candle closes. Now, this is my projection for the BTC dominance. I'm expecting a move once again to the upside to all the way to 63.22%. Or let me say technically the 63% zone. The moment that push is happening, we are going to get a rejection from there. I might be wrong, but that is what I think should happen. We are going to get a rejection from there and then finally take out this support level, which is around 60.44%, which was what I said in the yesterday's video. I told you guys I would wish for the BTC dominance to take out that support level. But this time around, this chart is not based on my wish. It's based on what the BTC dominance is going to do, the future projection. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're here to like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button. If you're here to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, the moment we are losing that support, then we should just continue chopping down all the way to around 56-57% level. The moment we are heading to that 56-57% level, we are going to get a bounce again to 60% zone, which was the previous support zone. We are going to flip that zone into a resistance. Now, this is where it gets interesting. The moment we are getting the correction from that 60% zone, is going to be down only for the BTC dominance, which is going to be ultra bullish for whatever altcoins you're holding. I told you guys yesterday as well, which I've said this countless times as well, the moment the BTC dominance gets to the 50%, 55% zone, altcoin market is going to go crazy, it's going to go ballistic. Like seriously. So the moment we tap into the 50% level, 55% level, we are going to get a slight bump and then a further dump to the downside, flip the 55% level into a resistance, retest it as a resistance, and then send further to the downside. So I'm expecting a pump starting from, you all need to pay attention now. I'm expecting a pump starting from 4th, 5th of August, all the way to September 2021, 22nd. I might be wrong, but that's what I think should happen. And then towards the end of September, we should expect a dump, a market correction. So when the market correction happens, then we should expect a consolidation, a choppy market into the month of October. And then rally hard in the month of October all the way to the month of November. So I'm expecting the altcoin market to kind of top in January 2026. I might be wrong, but that is what is going to happen in my own opinion. If you're paying attention to the BTC CME gap on the 1 hour time frame, we filled the CME gap around $118,295 yesterday. So we've been waiting for this CME gap around $114,290 to get filled for weeks now, but it hasn't. The last time we came close, we bounced, we came close, we bounced, we came close. I think the last one we came to as low as $115,675, but we got a bounce again all the way to 21K and never filled that CME gap. Now this is the CME gap right here, and I think sooner or later we are going to fill this CME gap. You get, if you're paying attention, the BTC price has been ranging for the past 18 days now. We've been moving in a sideways market. A breakout to the downside or to the upside will mark a significant shift in the direction of BTC. Let's not forget the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame is still sitting strong. Now, if you want to be on the safer side, the moment the BTC dominance gets to the 40% level, you should have taken massive profit off your table to be on the safer side. Now, if you're paying attention to the liquidation heat map, it's looking tricky. BTC is likely to continue moving in a ranging phase because we have liquidity both to the upside and also to the downside. We have liquidity, huge liquidity, around $56 million on Binance, around $19,800. We also have around $56 million, around $20,146. We also have huge liquidity around $19,542. We have over $66 million worth of liquidity there. And not to forget, to the downside, we have huge liquidity, $63 million worth of liquidity, around $17,382. Fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. My name is Isaac. Peace out.